Welcome back. With this video, let's get our hands dirty and let's get to work. Here we will see how to set up the dev environment. So we are going to install Node.js and Visual Studio. Visual Studio is the IDE where we are going to write our code, compile and execute it. And Node.js is a JavaScript runtime. Using this, you can execute JavaScript outside of a browser. Traditionally, the JavaScript was used as client-side scripting language. We used to embed JavaScript with HTML to create the web pages, and the browsers used to execute the script with built-in JavaScript engine. With Node.js, you can now run JavaScript outside the browser and is now being used to write code on the server side also. Okay, so with that brief introduction, let's now start downloading Node.js. Let's go to Google and find the installable. Click on the first link and download the latest version. I'm going to download the one which is recommended for the most users. As you can see, the download has started. On my system, I have already downloaded and installed it. So once the download completes, just go ahead and install Node.js on your system. Now let's download Visual Studio. Go to Google and search for Visual Studio. Click on the first link. You can download either the first one or the second one. Since the second one says editing and debugging on any OS, I have already downloaded and installed it. You can go ahead with any of these two and install it on your system. Once the installation of Node.js and Visual Studio completes, continue with the next video where we are going to set up React and write our first program.